Hello. In my memoir, I plan on talking about the family gatherings my parents used to throw all the time while I was growing up. And they would always do this maybe once or twice a month just so everybody could stay connected to one another and just to make sure that we're all doing good and whatnot. And the family gatherings wouldn't just be simple parties and whatnot. It would be a party, but at the end of the day, we're just trying to see each other, have fun, and just take our minds off of the things that we had on going on in life. So whether it was if it was a grown person, whether it was bills, taxes, or maybe they're having problems with their spouse, it was always a safe place to talk to people. And the people that would do most of the talking to help people understand what they're going through would be my parents and also my uncle. And I would say they were able to do this just because they had a lot of wisdom and knowledge about things that happen while you're growing up in life and also while you're in adulthood. So they always had things to help you out with, and I'll say. So by me saying all of this, I would say that the theme of my memoir would be just being able to be comfortable with the people you're around and also being able to be comfortable telling them about the problems you have in life. And I can assure you that doing this can really help you out in life because some things you just can't keep inside of your head and not let people know about it. And that could really cause stress on you, and it can really cause you to be down, whether you're sad, mad, or just you're not yourself. So it can really cause a lot of bad things. But to be specific about what exact gathering I'm talking about, I will be talking about the last gathering we had before I left, which happened to be my going away party. And it was a real good time, of course, but at the end of the day, I finally let my people understand and let them know how I really felt. And the thing was, weeks prior to my graduation party, I had my graduation, and it was an emotional day just because of the COVID-19 and how we had to adjust to things around the town and the state and just the U.S. in general. And after graduation, I really sat down and like asked myself like, "Are you ready to leave just yet?" And I answered no. And I just wasn't ready to leave yet. And by me understanding that, I just knew I had to tell somebody soon, but I made the mistake of not telling somebody sooner than what I did. So I ended up waiting a couple weeks until my graduation party, and then I finally let everything out. And by them helping me out, and by them sitting down and talking to me and walking me through on why I shouldn't be scared to leave or scared to go explore new things or just leave town in general, they really helped me out with that. And I would just like to share with you by putting this in my memoir and just to let you know that my family really helped me get to this point in life. And, I just like to share that with you.